Hey guys, this is Ryan with Cars Remember When. Got a cool car for you today. This is a 1969 Chevelle SS396. This is an excellent restored example. It was put back to all original for the most part. It's got a real slick blue paint exterior. This is a 396 350 horse car. It's got factory air conditioning, power steering, power front disc brakes. This is a 4-speed car. The engine and the transmission both appear to be numbers matching. You can find a gallery on our website with close-ups of the stamps there. But yeah, bench seat, 4-speed car, really well restored. Originally this was blue with a black interior, and the restorer changed it to a white interior, which I think was a good move. Really classy. Shows really well with the white stripe down the side. So I'm gonna hop in here. There's your tilt wheel. Starts up nice and easy. There's your SS gauges over there with the tach. Really nice. Air conditioning was recently serviced with R134A. It's blowing really well. The radio here. Radio does turn on. That's pretty cool. Got a owner's manual, SS396 there. You got your auto ventilation tag. Really comfortable interior. Real pretty with the white bench seat, 4-speed car. Pretty rare and unique with factory air. Pretty highly optioned Chevelle when you really look at it. Horn. So there you have it. There's your 396 big block Chevrolet engine, 350 horse. You can see there that the air AC compressor clutch is engaged and spinning. So I'm going to turn it off. Not spinning. Again, this does appear to be the numbers matching original 396 engine. Make sure to go to our website, find pictures of the stamping in the gallery. Factory air equipment there. Beautiful front end, excellent bright work. Hood fits really nice. Paint has an awesome shine to it. Keep in mind it does have these period correct bias-ply tires. You can drive on these. They're not too terribly old, but if you really want to take this car out and drive it and have some fun, I'd recommend putting on a radial BF Goodrich TA tire. That'll improve the drivability quite a lot. But for collectability and showability purposes, these bias-ply tires are correct in what came on the car when it was new. So that's why they're on there now. interested in this 69 SS396 Chevelle, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwin.com. There'll be about 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. And if you have any questions, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwin.com. Thanks for watching.